Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a mask from Courage the Cowardly Dog. So in Courage the Cowardly Dog, Eustace, which is the older man on that show, if you watch that show, has a mask to scare Courage with, and we're going to draw that mask, all right? This is old school. It's going to be really, really, really simple, okay? Beginners, and yeah, I'm going to carry along with it. So let's get started, all right? First thing I do is I'm going to go in here and I'm going to curve forward for the big nose. Go over here. It's going to be a bump. It's like a wart on that nose. Pulling down, curving in. Down here. Nostril. Pulling up. In right here. Circle. All right. Gonna go over here. Draw a circle for one eye. Circle right here. Circle right there. And we're going to fill this outside section right here with dark. Curve over here. So it's going to have like this kind of colored area there. Curve over here. And then I'm going to fill that line in. I think Eustace yells, "Ooga booga booga," when he has this mask on. This is a really obscure thing, honestly. I don't know who is going to know who this is. Hopefully some of you will if you guys are watching those shows on streaming. Circle out here for the other eye. Circle for the eyeball here. And line up here for the top of the head. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Down over here, pulling up. Curve down here. Down underneath, pulling up. Where it is, we're finding the lip area. If you like, by the way, that show, let me know. Like, hit the like button if you like Courage the Cowardly Dog. I should be like, hit the like if you know what this is that I'm drawing. Up over here, down, and curve over here. One, two, three, four. The teeth. One over here. Again, it's kind of like these gravestone shapes. Looks like eggs or something, even though they're like not eggs. I'm going to pull this line all the way down here. Down over here. Curve up. You know, I talked about this. I think Penguin Zero talks about this show, Courage. And yeah, Courage the Cowardly Dog. No, I'm gonna actually add a little bit of color because I think that'd be a pretty cool thing to do. I'm gonna use a bunch of different types. So right here, I'm gonna use Crayola brand, a really light green for the lip area. I don't use these markers very much for coloring because I think they have a very ugly look to them. I don't know what it is. Generally, they go down too dark. They're just not the greatest markers, but they are usable. From there, I'm gonna come right in. Don't forget, hit the subscribe, by the way, if you haven't. I'm gonna go over here with the other green. Actually, this is pretty close. I'm gonna have to do it. It's pretty similar, but it's different. It's just another brand of green right here for the Copic. This marker is awesome. This marker is incredibly good. There you go. Kind of fill that in. And let me go to the orange for the eye area. The eye area has this kind of orange area around it. And gonna go with this light purple for the teeth. Very light purple, like really, really light. I'm putting it across. And then I'm gonna go with a darker purple, or I think there's a darker purple for in between the teeth here in the back. And I go over here. By the way, suggest something you guys want to see on this channel and I'll make it happen. This is how this one came about. Somebody suggested it. That's why it's so, it's like very specific, right? If there's something you want to see, like from a movie, whatever, it's got to be kind of scary or scary related, then I'll do it. Or maybe like a bad guy from something. That is pretty much it. That's from Courage the Cowardly Dog. Thank you very much. I will see you later, okay? It's a monster face from Courage the Cowardly Dog. See you later. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons, so you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month, like 30 days. That's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link that gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later.